how to turn on or off slow key on iPhone X. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to accessibility. In accessibility, go to physical and motor section and go to keyboard. Here in keyboard, you can see the slow key. And the slow key is off. To turn on this, you'll have to do is tap the slow key and you can see here the switch button. To turn on, okay, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button. If this turn on, slow key adjusts the amount of time between when a key is pressed and when it is activated. And the slow key is set into 30 seconds. So you can adjust this by tap the plus sign to increase or negative sign to decrease. And to turn off again the slow key, okay, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully turned on or off keyboard slow key on iPhone X.